Manipur State Assembly should not a peaceman policy.
State Assembly! Maintain Assembly! State Assembly! Maintain Assembly!
State asigi tampak ki mapham singda Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958 amuk hanna thamjingadabani haiba yaona tongan demand sing taksilladuna ngasi kangpokpi district ta Kuki-zo meeyam na rally chatkhre. Kuki-zo ki masing yamlaba meeyam na saruk yaraduna kangpokpi district headquarters ta setkiba rally aduda tongan demand sing ki warol iba banner sing sizinaki. Rally aduda Imphal Valley da afaspa amuk hanna thamjingadabani we want separate administration Manipur Legislative Assembly mepham asi Kuki-zo meeyam gi mepham nate nakal namatage interest ta from mepham ni amasung Kuki khulai paiba singa center lenga ka sanariba suspension of operation su handokna bugidamak taksinba haina assembly mepham na amatoina warep loukhiba dubo yaning da phongdoktuna kholaw sing laukhe adumoinamak rally aduda panba thodok sing thokibagi paudi leite.
We are gathered here to show our resentment against the one-sided resolution to abrogate the SoO agreement with Kuki-zo uses in the absence of our 10 MLS in the People's House. Time and again, the current regime has knowingly misused the state institution, including the House of the People, which is the last straw to misguide the general public in the valley. The Manipur Legislative Assembly should focus on the present law and order situation in Imphal rather than focusing on the SoO. APSPA is needed in the Valley District as much as SoO is needed in the hills.